Yeah, that's exactly how I do it. And I've noticed a lot of my friends do the same thing. I mean, it's like that in every profession, right? Like a lot of people will, like for with teeth, for example, even other dentists will come to me and they're like, okay, something's off about this smile. What is it? And like, if you're trained to like look for certain things and you've seen it over and over again, like some people just like have this eye. It's in any profession. Like a lot of times people will say, this house doesn't look nice. What is it? And a decorator would come and be like, oh, because you have to do this and this. The same thing with teeth. Like, I'm like, what doesn't look right about this smile? And I can like, I know. It's the same thing. I feel like you're doing the same thing with nutrition where you're like, okay, she's skinny. She does this. What is she doing? And you're kind of like turning it into a regimen, which is great. I a lot of the stuff I never even noticed, but now that I notice it more, I'm like, don't feel guilty that I don't have breakfast. My whole life, everyone's like, you need to have breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. And I'm like, I don't have time. I just rush to get to work.